The search for a high-quality, practical indoor-outdoor scooter just got easier. Introducing the EWheels EW-M34 portable mobility scooter. The EW-M34 is packed with value and has the longest range and lightest weight of any travel scooter on the market today. The four-wheel design ensures stability, and its size makes it easy to get around, no matter where you are. It features a non-slip platform and swivel executive seat with movable armrests to make getting in and out easy and convenient. And with a 300-pound capacity, fits most riders with ease. You'll also find easy-to-use controls and a delta tiller for complete control, even in tight environments. And with a 10-mile operating range, the EW-M34 is ready to go whenever you are. With the EW-M34, the details are what makes this scooter stand out, like a large detachable basket with carry handle, bright front headlights, heavy-duty front bumper, and designer aluminum wheels. One of the most outstanding features of the EW-M34 is its ability to be broken down into 5 lightweight pieces to make transporting it from one destination to another a breeze. In just 5 easy steps, the EW-M34 is ready to go. The EW-M34 can be shipped unassembled or fully assembled and ready to ride right out of the box. So if you're looking for a stable, reliable scooter with loads of features at a great price, look no further than EWheels.